To set up a new product or a recipe for a new product, we're going to go to Settings. We're going to go Selection. We're going to select number 4 by hitting Set. And then we're going to click on the blank black name block up top. And we're going to name this one Sample. Then we're going to hit Rename Save. And now we have named product number 4 as Sample. We're going to hit Set again, and then we're going to go back to Previous. And this brings us back to our first settings screen. And for our sample, we have it set for a horizontal eye, normal in-feed speed, and the closing conveyor is disabled. And our seal time is changed to 0.3 instead of 1 second.